Yeah, first of all,
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
congratulations. Yeah, it's very
Thank you.
happy to hear that you have grabbed the job. So myself, Meenu, I am from quality department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So first of all, introduce about yourself.
Okay, ma'am. I am Ismail Khan. I'm from Shimoga. I did my BE in Civil from Mangalore, Bearys Institute of Technology. I graduated in year 2021, ma'am. After that, I'm pursuing the course here in CMTI, Advanced Construction Management course, ma'am.
Okay. Like, how did you come to know about CMTI?
Ma'am, I don't know how I came in contact, ma'am, but I think it's basically through Google and LinkedIn. Then I asked my friends and my seniors, and they also gave me green light to go, and I'm here, ma'am, and I got the job here.
Yeah, that was very nice. Like, how did you prefer the course Advanced Construction Management?
Ma'am, I choose the Advanced Construction Management course because it covers everything, ma'am, from the starting point to the ending point in the construction in every field, yeah, in the interiors as well as in
Okay.
construction,
Okay.
like reading of drawings and all.
Okay. So in advanced construction management, what all the things you learned, like you can explain it in Hindi also, so it will
Yeah,
reach
ma'am.
our Hindi audiences.
Okay, मैम लाइक रीडिंग ऑफ ड्राइंग्स मैम इन एडवांस कंस्ट्रक्शन मैनेजमेंट कोर्स इसमें रीडिंग ऑफ ड्राइंग्स था मेथोडोलॉजी थे मैम इसमें मतलब कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू होने से ख़त्म होने तक जो जो प्रोसीजर चलता वो इसमें था मैम हमारे लिए और बार बेंडिंग शेड्यूल कैसे स्टील कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं क्वांटिटी सर्वे quality control quality assurance how to maintain site this all comes under this ma'am.
Apart from your college studies, no, how
Yes ma'am.
different this when you're pursuing the particular course, how different it was?
Ma'am, it was very practical, ma'am. College life was completely theoretical, ma'am, and that too in online. It was for me. It was of no use, ma'am. Last 2 years, I just studied to pass my subjects, ma'am. I didn't gain any knowledge and all because that 2 years it was completely online. Something which I learned it was through my project because there we focus something. Then
Okay.
after coming to CMT, I visited sites, RMC plants, I visited many construction sites and all. So it helped me gain much knowledge, ma'am, which I was
Yes,
waiting.
it was very nice. Like you went for the site visits, right? So how helpful
Yes,
it
ma'am.
was to you? What are the things you learned?
Ma'am, basically, I went to three, four sites, ma'am, like Nimans Hospital, Victoria Hospital, and RMC plant. There we get to know how the process involves their methodology. And construction, I went to the construction site. There we get to contact with the senior engineers and the laborers working there, and the engineers explained us how the things get done and all, ma'am.
Okay. So how was the trainers and staff's coordination?
Yes, ma'am. About that, it was very good, ma'am. Like sirs like Natarajan sir, Mantesh sir, Anand sir, Abhinav sir, they helped me a lot. They gave me the first. They started from the basic for me. It was like a spoon feeding.
Okay.
I got everything. Even if I asked silly out, they were ready to explain me.
Okay. So,
They did
like
help.
you, yeah, just want to ask, like, how much do you like the CMTI app? All it was
Yes,
fine.
ma'am. The app also was very helpful, ma'am, because if I missed any classes and all, I could have gained the recording. I gained the um. I attended. It's like I attended 2 to 3 times one class, ma'am. Here through the
Okay.
app. It has they have uploaded everything like every material they have. It's in app, ma'am. So it was very helpful, ma'am.
Okay. See, then you have explored the things like you that helped you are telling, no? So, how much did you help for these things? All helped you to crack the interview.
Ma'am, before giving the interview, ma'am, I was lucky that 2 days before Ashok sir have brought Vijay sir to the campus, ma'am. I was very lucky in that matter, ma'am. So it was little helpful for me because 1 day or 2 day before, he just thought how to give interview, ma'am. I just focus on there how to give interview because it was a basic thing, how to communicate with who the person who is taking the interview and all. So it helped me a lot, ma'am. And from the app, I attended the with the classes which I have missed, the important things which to be said in interviews. There it helped, ma'am.
Okay. So overall, our CMTI staffs. So how was their coordination?
It was
So
good,
how
ma'am.
did you feel? Comfortable with them?
Yes, ma'am. It was very comfortable from the day one, ma'am. No issues in there. It
Yeah.
was good, ma'am. It was a good experience, ma'am, with learning.
Okay. So you are very convenient with them.
Yeah, ma'am. From my side,
Okay.
I am, ma'am. Don't
Yes,
know from.
that is very happy to hear.
Thank
So
you.
yeah. So what do you want to tell to your upcoming juniors and students from your point of view?
Ma'am, I can suggest that if they want experience other than college also give experience, ma'am. But we are in like college mind, so here we are trying to be professionals, ma'am. We are trying that we will reach someday. Then here CMTI they will give the professional training if you want experience before joining, and you will get some confidence to speak in the interview and all. Confidence comes with knowledge, ma'am. If there is no knowledge, there will be no confidence. So yeah, ma'am, my confidence gained little bit from joining here, and I can speak about the field I am working in,
That is very,
and
very
I will
happy
recommend my
to hear,
juniors to them.
Ismail, because you are telling that you are very fine with the things. I'm really
Yes, ma'am.
happy to hear the things. So, would you like to refer
Yes,
Prayojna
ma'am. Yes,
Engineering and
ma'am.
CMTI to your friends?
Yes, ma'am. I will love to. I will love to, ma'am. I will recommend my juniors, ma'am, if they are willing, if they are searching for experience and all. I can suggest them it's a good. You can come and visit here.
Yeah.
I can
Thank you
suggest
so
this, ma'am.
much for your wonderful feedback. All the
Thank you,
best
ma'am.
for your career. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.